Hey guys, Dirt and Rust here. Just got back from the flea market and I got a few things to show you. It really felt good to get to the flea market today, I'll tell you. I really needed to go and go treasure hunting, and finally I got to go and I found some pretty cool stuff. I found these finials or fence toppers, cast iron. There's 37 here, and I got them all for 10 bucks. I'm thinking those might be worth a few bucks. Oh, no, this little key got thrown in there. And I collect keys, and so this is a luggage key for Samsonite Luggage. And I picked up this skateboard. The skateboard was $1, so I said, what the heck, I'll take it. Right when I first got there, somebody offered this to me for $1, and I picked it up. Then I had to walk right back to my car and put it in the trunk because I wasn't going to carry it with me the whole trip. So, but it's a vintage skateboard, Santa Cruz. It's beat up. Sometimes the wheels and trucks can be worth a few bucks, so I'll check into it. It is kind of beat up, but you know, for $1, it's hard to pass up. Of course, anything for $1 is hard to pass up there. I got these Linesmans pliers. These are pc&w 240-6, and after I clean them up, they'll be in pretty good shape, I think. Still got some blade there. Alright, so I got this hammer for $1, hammerhead. This is a true temper, super dynamic claw hammer. And then I got a pair of Utica 7.6 USA pliers for $1. And then I got these, this is, what do you call it, a sprinkler wrench. CSC, it's got some numbers there. We got 100-87, 166.5, maybe that's an S3. Okay, model A/H-1/2 inch. I have another one. Let me show you the other one. It's very similar. I have it over here. That I had bought earlier, but it doesn't have the markings that this one does. And it's a little bit more worn out. And this one says standard sprinkler on this side. And this one just has the model number. Alright, then I got this grinding wheel dresser. Hooded grinding wheel dresser here. And the name on it is Desmond, Urbana, number 0. And then I got another pair. I've had a couple of pair of these Nicopress crimping tool it's for the telephone company here, National Telephone Supply Co., Cleveland, Ohio. I ended up buying this for $5. I had offered the guy $3 and I walked away because he said no, $5. He had to have his $5, so I walked away. And I kept thinking about it and thinking about it, and I was like, I don't need it, I don't need it. And so eventually it kept eating me up, and I walked back, and I just handed him the $5 and took the tool. So I would have been driving home thinking about this the whole time, so I'm just glad I bought it for the $5. So I had to pay up. That's all right. That is it, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.